Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Julia, and on today's episode we're going to talk about healthy treats. So we talk about healthy eating and balanced living, but once in a while we have to treat ourselves because we deserve it. So on today's episode I'm going to show you a quick, very simple peanut brittle recipe. You just need peanuts and a little bit of sugar, and you turn it into a treat for you and your family. Of course, we deserve to have a treat once in a while. Anytime the treat becomes a habit, that's when we get into trouble. So, let's look into the benefits of the ingredients that's in the treat, which is the main ingredient is peanuts, and it's whole organic peanuts. So, of course, all nuts are good for you. Peanuts is packed with omega oils. It has antioxidants. It's protein. It belongs to the protein food group. It helps you stay full. It helps you fight some gut cancers and all of that. So it's very good for us. But of course, to turn into a treat, we're adding a little bit of sugar. But because we're sharing with the whole family, divide it up and it makes the portion size small, so you're not consuming too much of the high sugar. That's not good for you. So enjoy the recipe. I made this with my daughter. She's always my helper when I'm making these treats because she loves treats. So enjoy this episode, and if you have any treats that you like to share, please share with us so I can also share with everybody else. We can all work to live a balanced life. All right. Hi everyone, it's me and Ariana. We are making peanut brittle. So we went and got ourselves some organic peanuts, peeled it, and now she's crushing it. Once it's all crushed up, I think that's too crushed. We want a little bit of big chunks in there. And we're gonna make peanut brittle. We don't do this often, right, Ariana? Just once in a while, because it's a treat, and you don't want to be eating treats all the time because then it can kind of problem. All right, so let's get the pan on the stove and put a little bit of sugar in there and get it going. So it's just sugar and peanuts. That's all. Okay. So we have the pan on the stove, and we try not to put too much sugar. I know back when I was little, when we make it, I used to put a lot of sugar, but we try not to. Right? So I just spread the sugar. So that's 2 tablespoons. That's 3 tablespoons. That's 4 tablespoons. And this can make enough for so Ari, no crushing and then once the sugar starts melting, then we're gonna dump it in, stir it until it gets into all sticky and yummy and gooey. Right, Ari? The sugar's melting. I'm going to throw in. We're gonna like them in little balls, right? Turn the fire down. This is a reality. Getting all clumped together and wrong. Okay, I think it's ready now. What do you think, Gary?
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna put another put a little tiny bit of butter on it, just so it doesn't stick. diets, it's good for you. Still has a little bit of sugar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how it's like so tasty.
All right. Thanks, everyone. Everybody.